Hello and welcome. Brett here with ClickMill.co. In this video, we're just going to go over the most basic part of marketing and definitely the most basic part of SEO, and that is a keyword. And a keyword is really the backbone, at least right now. AI may change this in the future, but right now it's the backbone of pretty much all the marketing strategies you're going to use when doing digital marketing. And a keyword is essentially just a word or a phrase. It's not one word. It could be a word or a phrase that you type into Google or YouTube, you type it into a search engine to get the answer to your question. So it's like red pair of Nikes. That is a keyword. It could be how to build a deck. That's a keyword. And so what Google is going to do is Google is just going to take, and other search engines are going to take the keyword that was put in and match it up with the best result that also has that keyword. That is the most basic explanation of what a keyword is and also how SEO works. Again, SEO just takes the keyword, and this is what Google's doing, takes what you type in as the user and then says, what are the best websites for that? Let's show them to the person searching that keyword. That is what search engine optimization is. It's using these keywords to get people to rank on the top of Google. And so you can, your articles, your pages, your ministry, your business shows up right there when people search for whatever it is. I'm going to show you how to find these as we continue. I do want to show you. I'm going to show you right here on the screen. This is Google, as you can see, and I typed in a keyword, and this keyword is ChatGPT, which, if you've used the AI course here on the ClickMill subscription program, you'll know that's a big AI tool. But that's the first thing that came to mind because I was just working with that ChatGPT, and what comes up? ChatGPT from the company that runs the program. So that makes sense. So we got ChatGPT from the same company, ChatGPT from the same company, and then some kind of blog site, ZDNet. I don't know what that is, but it looks like a blog site. What is ChatGPT? Okay, so what Google is telling us here is people don't know what it is, and people are asking, and what does it show at the top? What is ChatGPT and why does it matter? So the keyword is there. Wikipedia has an article titled ChatGPT. As we continue, you've got YouTube here, ChatGPT explained in 5 minutes. And then all of these have the keyword, keyword, keyword. What is it? So you can see that Google is just taking that keyword that is in the search box and it is matching up the most relevant websites to be shown to Google's users. That's what a keyword does. Now, this is also true on all of the other search engines right now, Google and Bing and Yahoo and YouTube. All of these just take that keyword in the search box and then match up articles. Now, I want to add just a little bit of nuance to this, and just as an expert, because by the end of this course, you will be an expert. When you type in ChatGPT into the box and you are the user of Google, this is actually called the query. And the reason why it's called this is you don't keyword a search engine, you query a search engine, and that means you ask it a question, essentially. So this is technically called the query, and then when the keyword shows up in this information or in the article that we would go through, if we clicked, we'd go through to an article or a page, that would be the keyword. So we query the search engine with a keyword, and then the search engine serves up sort of this platter of keyword targeted content. So we query the search engine with a keyword. So this is technically called a keyword, or excuse me, it's technically called a query, though you're querying it with a keyword. And then there's all this keyword targeted content that is relevant to the query, which is a keyword. So again, I know I said that a few times, but a little bit of nuance there. There's a query and there's keywords, and the query is also a keyword. So with that, this is what is a keyword, and that's also a super basic explanation of how search engine optimization works. And so in the next video, we'll briefly break down SEO so that you understand that as well, and we're going to get into more keyword training.